Welcome to Best Choice. The Best Explosion Box is probably one of the most unique and heartwarming gifts you can give. Imagine the look on your loved one's face as they open this seemingly ordinary box, only to have it burst open, revealing layers of personalized photos, heartfelt messages, and maybe even small gifts. It's a creative way to show someone how much you care, turning a simple present into an unforgettable experience. Number 5. Koogel DIY Exploding Photo Album Gift Set. Looking for a special gift? This Koogel explosion box is perfect. It's a creative way to present photos and small gifts, ideal for any occasion. The set comes with everything you need. It includes the explosion box itself, double-sided tape, a ribbon, a heart-shaped card, color pens, and stickers. It's ready for your personal touch. This box is designed for creativity. You can add up to 36 photos. Use the included pens, stickers, and your own photos to make it truly unique. When unfolded, it measures 18.5 by 18.5 inches. It can hold various photo sizes. You can also place small gifts inside the smallest box. It's made of durable black cardboard. The pens are wrapped in hard plastic, and the stickers and tapes are made of PVC. It's designed to last and be cherished. Whether it's Valentine's Day, an anniversary, or a birthday, this gift box is a great choice. It's a memorable way to show your love and appreciation. It is a great holder to store presents. What we like? This explosion box comes with everything you need, including pre-cut pieces and plenty of accessories. It's perfect for those who love to personalize their gifts with photos, stickers, and color pens. If you're looking for a hassle-free, all-inclusive option, this is the one for you. What people say. The box was fun to assemble, and it came with plenty of decorations to customize each layer with our photos and messages. When it opens up, it's truly stunning and adds a personal touch that regular gifts just don't have. I watched the video the seller posted several times to help construct the boxes and layers. It did take me some time to figure it all out. I added personal notes and spent about a week putting this together. It's such a crafty and unique way to gift someone. Number 4. Vienrose Explosion Gift Box, Finished Set. This hexagonal photo gift box unfolds to reveal 5 layers of delightful surprises. Each layer holds hidden pockets for cards and small gifts, leading to a final gift box perfect for treasures. It's a gift that keeps on giving. Forget complicated assembly. The surprise box arrives fully assembled, ready for your personal touch. Simply add your favorite photos and customize it to create a truly unique and heartfelt present. The box offers ample space for over 60 photos, with varying sizes across each layer. You can easily arrange your cherished memories within this beautiful and creative gift. The package includes everything you need to get started: a finished explosion gift box, fun organ cards, DIY cardboard, decorative flowers, tape, stickers, and colored pencils. Everything is included to make the gift special. We stand behind the quality of our product. If you encounter any issues, please contact us. We're committed to ensuring your complete satisfaction with this special gift. What we like? This explosion box arrives fully assembled, saving you time and effort. Its unique hexagonal design and multiple layers create a truly surprising experience. If you like a gift that's ready to go and full of hidden surprises, you should consider this. What people say. The DIY aspect allowed me to personalize it with our favorite photos and memories, making it truly special. The explosion effect when he opened it added a fun touch that really wowed him. It came with more than enough inserts. I also purchased scrapbooking paper to use as background colors and stickers to go with it, but I had extras of everything it came with. The pens that it comes with are awesome and work great on the black stock paper it's made of. Number 3. Wanateber Explosion Box, DIY Gift Surprise. This unique gift starts as a simple box. But, when opened, it transforms into a multi-layered card, revealing a cascade of memories and surprises. Inside, there's a small gift box, perfect for hiding a ring, watch, or any small treasure. It's designed to make the moment even more special. The explosion photo box includes fun cards and space for over 20 photos. You can write down happy memories between you and your loved one. Whether it's an engagement, wedding, anniversary, or just because, this gift is a heartfelt way to express your love. It's a perfect way to show how much you care. When opened, it's about 13.8 by 13.8 inches. You'll also receive fun magic cards, graffiti cards, stickers, and more to personalize it. You'll get the DIY explosion box, a small surprise gift box, ribbon, stickers, paper sunflowers, double-sided tape, fun magic cards, graffiti cards, and star heart letter stick paper. Everything you need to create a memorable gift is included. What we like. This box transforms from a gift box to a multi-layered card, revealing a small surprise gift box inside. It includes fun magic cards to write and record happy memories. If you want to create a memorable gift with a personal touch, it's a great choice. What people say. I had to cut my pictures to fit the larger format, but I love how easy it is to customize. It has many different pull-out crafts that would be perfect for hiding little surprises like a ring that are also pretty customizable. The box comes full assembled. All you have to add is the pictures and little touches. Number 2. Wanateber Black Explosion Box for Gifts. This explosion box is a unique and thoughtful gift. It's perfect for showcasing your favorite photos and creating lasting memories. It's a great way to express your love. The package includes everything you need to get started. It comes with a pre-assembled box, fun cards, and decorative stickers. You can easily customize it to your liking. This explosion box arrives ready to go, saving you time and effort. Simply add your photos and personalize it with your own creative touch. It's a fun and easy project. When opened, it measures 14.2 by 11.5 inches, and when folded, it's a compact 6.4 by 4.8 by 3.2 inches. The inner box is perfect for a small gift. It's designed to impress. Fill it with photos and heartfelt messages to create a truly special gift. The included fun cards add an extra layer of surprise. It's ideal for any special occasion. We offer a 100% money-back guarantee. If you have any questions, we're here to help within 24 hours. You can buy with confidence. What we like. This explosion box is shipped as an assembled finished product, ready for your photos and customization. Its 6-face design and included fun cards add a unique touch. If you are looking for a gift that is easy to personalize and ready to use, this is the one for you. What people say. It comes with double-sided tape so you don't have to buy glue to attach your photos. It came with lots of beautiful stickers to decorate, and lots of extra foldables to use either with the box or for separate occasions. The storage space in the middle is perfect for a ring box or small necklace. Number 1. Wanateber Black DIY Explosion Gift Box. This unique explosion box is perfect for preserving precious moments. It's a handmade gift designed to hold photos and heartfelt messages, making it a truly special keepsake. The package comes with everything you need to create a personalized gift. It includes fun cards, stickers, pens, and even a ribbon to make it extra special. You can add your own photos and messages. When folded, it looks like a regular gift box, but when opened, it reveals multiple layers and pockets. Inside, there's a small box perfect for hiding a ring or other small treasures. It's a delightful surprise for the recipient. This explosion box is designed for you to personalize. Add your favorite photos and write heartfelt messages to create a unique and memorable gift. It's perfect for any special occasion. Whether it's an engagement, wedding, birthday, or Valentine's Day, this gift box is a thoughtful choice. It's a wonderful way to express your love and create lasting memories. It's a gift they'll cherish. We are confident that you will love this product. If you have any questions or issues, please contact us. We offer a money-back guarantee or replacement within 24 hours. What we like. This explosion box offers a big photo box with multiple layers and a built-in middle box for an extra surprise. It includes diversified cards to add a unique and wonderful display. If you want to create a big and surprising gift, it is a great choice. What people say. It came with everything I could need. I was able to put over 70 pictures on it. The components come in a box in a box in a box in a box in a box, etc. Cardboard box, plastic box, all the cool components. It is made of tough paper and is pretty dang lightweight. It is extremely fashionable when completed, and the components can really set up a fun activity. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.